Must-have gadgets are essential tools and devices that have become indispensable in our daily lives. These tech-savvy innovations cater to a wide range of needs, from communication and entertainment to productivity and convenience. Whether it's a smartphone that keeps us connected, a laptop that enhances our work efficiency, or smart home devices that make our living spaces more efficient, these gadgets have transformed the way we live and work. Number 10. Portable Charger by Eafu. The Eafu portable charger stands out as a must-have tech accessory for individuals who are frequently on the move. This device, characterized by its sleek and compact design, revolutionizes the way you keep your devices charged, providing a reliable power source wherever you go. Featuring a high-capacity battery and multiple charging ports, it effortlessly replenishes the battery of your smartphone, tablet, and other gadgets. Renowned for its rapid charging capabilities, the Eafu portable charger ensures you're never caught off guard with a dead battery. Its robust construction and lightweight nature make it an ideal companion for travelers, commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you find yourself on a lengthy flight, embarking on a road trip, or simply navigating your daily activities, the Eafu portable charger guarantees that you stay connected and powered up regardless of the circumstances. Bid farewell to the worry of running out of battery and welcome the convenience of Eafu's trustworthy and portable charging solution. Number 9. Tech Kit Organizer by Bellroy. Bellroy's Tech Kit Organizer emerges as a transformative tech accessory designed to simplify and declutter your digital existence. In a world where we carry an array of devices and accessories, this organizer offers an elegant and effective solution. Meticulously crafted with Bellroy's characteristic attention to detail, it allocates specific spaces for all your tech essentials. From cables and chargers to earbuds and adapters, the Tech Kit Organizer ensures everything stays orderly. Its slim and compact design effortlessly fits into your bag or backpack, making it an excellent companion for both travel and daily use. Featuring pockets, elastic loops, and a magnetic closure, this organizer not only keeps your gadgets well organized but also secure. Say goodbye to tangle of cords and misplaced adapters. The Bellroy Tech Kit Organizer combines style and functionality, streamlining your tech accessories and simplifying life on the go. Whether you're a frequent traveler or someone who values order in their tech arsenal, this gadget is a must-have for streamlining your digital life. Number 8. 3-in-1 Wireless Charger Station by Anker. Anker's 3-in-1 wireless charger station stands out as a versatile and indispensable tech accessory catering to the diverse charging needs of modern users. This compact and stylish charging station is crafted to streamline your daily routine by simultaneously powering up your smartphone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds. It eliminates the hassle of dealing with multiple charging cables and adapters, thanks to its advanced technology. The 3-in-1 wireless charger station ensures fast and efficient charging, guaranteeing that your devices are always ready for action. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into your bedside table, desk, or any other convenient location, providing a neat and organized charging solution. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast with iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, or use devices from other brands, this charger station offers universal compatibility, making it a valuable addition to any tech-savvy individual's arsenal. With Anker's commitment to quality and innovation, you can rely on this gadget not only to simplify your charging routine, but also to deliver a dependable and efficient power source for your daily tech essentials. Number 7. Over-ear headphones by Beats. The Beats over-ear headphones stand as an essential tech gadget for music enthusiasts and audiophiles, renowned for their iconic design and superior sound quality. These headphones offer a stylish and high-performance solution for those seeking an immersive listening experience. Engineered with precision acoustics, they deliver a dynamic and rich sound that breathes life into your favorite music. The Beats over-ear headphones prioritize an exceptional noise isolation feature, allowing you to delve deep into your tracks without being disturbed by external distractions. Beyond their sound prowess, these headphones also excel in comfort and style. The plush ear cushions and adjustable headband ensure a comfortable fit, especially during extended listening sessions. Their foldable design adds a layer of convenience, facilitating easy portability and making them an ideal choice for on-the-go use. Beats by Jura, known for their signature deep bass and crisp treble, continues to set high standards in the headphone industry. Whether you're enjoying music at home, commuting, or working out, the Beats over-ear headphones deliver a superior audio experience that truly enhances your connection to music. Number 6. Wireless in-ear headphones by Marshall. The wireless in-ear headphones by Marshall are a cutting-edge tech gadget that perfectly encapsulates the brand's rock and roll spirit and commitment to high-quality sound. These in-ear headphones combine the convenience of wireless technology with the iconic Marshall design, creating a unique and stylish audio accessory. Whether you're an audiophile or simply someone who appreciates great sound, these headphones don't disappoint. One of the standout features of these headphones is the exceptional sound quality. With custom-tuned drivers, they deliver a powerful and immersive listening experience, providing punchy bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Marshall's heritage in the world of amplifiers and live music equipment shines through in the audio performance, making these headphones a favorite among music lovers. The design of these in-ear headphones is also a nod to Marshall's classic amplifiers with black vinyl, brass details, and the iconic Marshall script logo. They are not only stylish but also comfortable to wear for extended periods, thanks to their ergonomic fit and adjustable ear tips. Wireless connectivity and long battery life ensure that you can enjoy your favorite tunes or podcasts without the hassle of tangled cables. Additionally, these headphones are equipped with a multi-directional control knob that allows you to easily manage your music, take calls, and adjust the volume. Number 5. Wi-Fi System by TP-Link. The Wi-Fi System by TP-Link is a cutting-edge tech gadget that revolutionizes your home network. It offers seamless and robust Wi-Fi coverage, eliminating dead zones and ensuring a fast and reliable connection in every corner of your space. With easy setup and management through a user-friendly app, this system provides advanced features like parental controls and guest network options. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home, the TP-Link Wi-Fi system ensures a smooth and uninterrupted online experience for all your devices. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to a high-performance home network. Number 4. Power Strip Surge Protector. The Power Strip Surge Protector by Amazon is a fundamental tech gadget for safeguarding your valuable electronics and simplifying your charging needs. With multiple outlets and USB ports, it's designed to meet the demands of today's technology-driven world. Beyond its convenience, this surge protector is equipped with surge protection and overload protection, ensuring that your devices are shielded from unexpected power surges and voltage spikes. Its compact and sleek design allows it to easily fit into any home or office setup, and the long power cord provides flexibility in placement. With the Amazon Power Strip Surge Protector, you can charge your smartphones, laptops, and other gadgets while having peace of mind that your devices are protected from electrical hazards. This gadget seamlessly combines convenience and safety, making it an indispensable addition to your tech arsenal. Number 3. Ergonomic Wireless Mouse by Logitech. The Ergonomic Wireless Mouse by Logitech is a must-have tech gadget for anyone seeking comfort and precision in their daily computer tasks. Designed to reduce wrist strain and enhance productivity, this mouse offers a natural hand position, customizable buttons, and precise tracking. Its wireless connectivity ensures clutter-free operation, while the ergonomic design promotes long-term comfort, making it ideal for extended use. Logitech's renowned reliability and advanced technology make this mouse an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their computing experience. Number 2. Wireless Keyboard by Microsoft. The Wireless Keyboard by Microsoft is a tech gadget that seamlessly blends style, comfort, and functionality. Designed for modern computing needs, this keyboard offers a clutter-free workspace with its wireless connectivity. Its sleek and minimalistic design is not only visually appealing, but also space-efficient. The keys are well-spaced and offer a satisfying tactile response, promoting a comfortable typing experience. Whether you're working on a document, browsing the web, or managing your multimedia, this keyboard caters to a wide range of tasks. Additionally, it's compatible with various operating systems, making it versatile for both Windows and Mac users. Microsoft's reputation for quality and innovation shines through in this wireless keyboard, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish input device for their computer setup. Number 1. Bluetooth Speaker by JBL. The Bluetooth Speaker by JBL is a powerful tech gadget that redefines portable audio. Renowned for its impressive sound quality and durability, this speaker delivers a punch that belies its compact size. Equipped with Bluetooth technology, it wirelessly connects to your devices, ensuring seamless music streaming from your smartphone or tablet. The JBL Bluetooth speaker is designed to be rugged and water-resistant, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures and poolside parties. Its long-lasting battery ensures hours of non-stop music, and some models even come with integrated voice assistance, adding a touch of intelligence to your tunes. With its stylish design and exceptional audio performance, the JBL Bluetooth speaker is the perfect balance of style and substance, making it a favorite among music lovers on the go. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.